So this is how to fix Ludo Talent app not working or not opening problem. So if you want to fix this problem, what you have to do is to tap on your phone settings, then you tap on app and preference or app and notifications, then you tap on see all apps or app list. So after there, what you're going to see is your apps in alphabetical form. It have been listed in that way. So what you have to do is to search for the Ludo Talent app. So in this video, I'm going to use this demo app to replace the Ludo Talent app. So when you search for the Ludo Talent app, just tap on it. After tapping on it, tap on notifications. Make sure you show the notification by turning it on. After that, what you have to do next is to tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure background data is turned on. After that, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache, tap on clear storage, then you tap on OK. After doing that, check the permissions, make sure everything is allowed. After allowing everything, tap on force stop, tap on OK. After doing all this, what you have to do is to restart your device. So tap on the power button for some while, tap on restart, then after this tap on OK, then everything is going to work perfectly. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section. See you in my next one. Bye.